Hello viewers, I'm Rumoni, your maths teacher. So in the previous class we have done up to quadratic formula question number 2 exercise 4.3. So students, I am very happy that you are responding to my question, and if you find any difficulties, please ask me in my comment section. And I have seen that one of my students sent me the question which is added in the new edition. So see, the procedure is same, so I hope you can do it. And if you find any problem, you can ask me, and that's all. So the homework that I have given in the last class, these are the solutions. For number 1, 2, it will be minus 1 plus root over 33 by 4, comma, minus 1 minus root over 33 by 4. And the second one, it will be roots does not exist. Let's proceed to next question. Find the roots of the following equation. Question number 1. It is given x minus 1 by x equal to 3, where x not equal to 0. So we will solve this by and how to solve this? We will use the quadratic formula. So let us take LCM x. It will be x square minus 1 equal to 3. Then x square minus 1, bring this x this side, it will be this. Then x square minus thrice x minus 1 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation, okay, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to, if you compare it, b will be equal to minus 3 and c will be equal to minus 1. Now what we will see? We will see the discriminant. So b square minus 4ac will be equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1, which is a, into minus 1. That means 9, then minus 4. This one, it will be 13, that means greater than 0. That means the roots will be real numbers, isn't it? So therefore, if you apply the formula, what is the formula? X equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. We will apply that formula. So minus b means minus of minus 3, this one, minus of minus 3, plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac, we can directly write this one, 13, then 2 into a is 1. That means minus minus is plus, 3 plus minus root over 13 divided by 2. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are, it will be 3 plus root over 13 divided by 2, or 3 minus root over 13 divided by 2. This one. So let us do question number 3 to 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So what we will do, let us take the LCM. What you will get if you take LCM? X plus 4 into x minus 7, and here what you will have to write? X minus 7, and this one x plus 4 equal to 11 by 30. Then do cross multiplication. So this 30 will come this side and this part will be on the right hand side. So 30 into x minus 7 minus x, then minus 4, and that side 11 into x plus 4 x minus 7. Correct? Then what we will get inside? 30 into x cancelled and minus 11 equal to 11 into, no need to write this, into x plus 4 x minus 7. Then you can see this one is 11, this one is 11, we can cancel it. So 30 into minus 11 divided by 11 equal to, you can directly cancel, but I am showing it here, x plus 4 x minus 7. 11 will get cancelled, minus 1 will be left out, so it is minus 30 equal to x plus 4 and x minus 7. Clear? Then you just expand it, what you will get? X square, then minus 7x, then plus 4x, then minus 28. Okay, and this side it is 30. Now what we will get? Write this part on left hand side, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus, you can directly write it as minus 3x minus 28, and if you bring this to this side, what you will get? Plus 30. So you write down plus 30 equal to 0. Now what you will get? X square minus this part minus 7x plus 4x, which is thrice x, minus this one plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. So how we will solve? We will directly use the quadratic formula. But before that, we need to check whether we will get a real root or unreal root, isn't it? So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2 if you compare it with the standard form. So b square minus 4ac will be what? B square minus 4ac will be minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2. That means 9 minus 8, which is 1. That means greater than 0. What you will get? The roots you will get as real roots. Now we will solve this quadratic equation by directly using the formula, quadratic formula. So what is our formula? X equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So write down minus b. b is what? Minus 3. So you have to be sincere here. You have to write minus 3 and this minus is this one. Plus minus root over of, you say b square minus 4ac, what you got? 1. Directly you can write 1 or root over of 1 divided by twice a. a is 1. That means minus minus is plus, plus minus 1 divided by, therefore the roots will be either x equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 2 or x equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 2. This side you will get 4 divided by 2, that means 2, and this side you will get 2 by 2, which is 1. That means the two roots of the quadratic equation are 1 and 2. So viewers, in the old edition only these two questions are there. I think some more questions are added. So you solve it by the same procedure, and if you find any problem you just ask me in my comment section. I will solve it in the next video. So now question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So this one we will do now. So let us write let the present age of Rahman's age be x years. Now according to question, it is given that 3 years ago, reciprocals of 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago, and you have to take reciprocal, that means 1 by 3 years ago means 3 years less, and from now is 5 years plus. In this way, this is our equation, which is equal to 1 by 3 according to question. It is given. You have understood? Now we will solve this. What we will do? Same procedure as we did earlier. Take LCM, x minus 3, x plus 5. In numerator it will be x plus 5 plus x minus 3. This one, that will be equal to 1 by 3. Then you do what? Cross multiplication. 3 into x plus 5 plus x minus 3 equal to x minus 3 plus 5. Then 3 into, this is x plus x is twice x, then plus 2 equal to x minus 3, x plus 5. Okay, then this one you just expand it. It will be 6x plus 6 equal to this side x square minus x square plus 5x minus thrice x, then minus 15. I think you have understood this. Just expand it. Then x square plus 5x minus thrice, you can directly write x minus 15, then bring this minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Now you see, this 5x minus thrice x will be twice x, and this one is minus 6x, that means minus 4x. You got it? This one you will get twice x, but since it is minus 6x, that means you will get minus 4x. Write down x square minus 4x, then this one minus 15 minus 6, that means minus 21 equal to 0. Now you see, I can do it by factorization also or by quadratic formula also. It is up to you. So now I will use the factorization, that means splitting the middle term. I will use that one. That one will be easy. See, 21, 7 into 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 21, 7 into 3 is 21. Directly, x square minus 7x plus thrice x minus 21 equal to 0. That means x minus 7 plus 3 x minus 7 equal to 0. Plus 3 x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 3 minus 3 or x equal to 7. But we cannot take this value. We cannot take this value since age cannot be negative. Therefore, the age of Rahman, present age of Rahman is 7 years. At last you write down, therefore, the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Done. Now you see question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. That means if the marks in maths is x, so the next number will be what? Obviously 30 minus x, because if you add this 2, you will again get what? 30. So this plus this will be 30. Then had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, that means this one is the mark of maths, this one is the marks of English. Now it is given she got 2 marks more in mathematics, that means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. This is the marks in English. So 3 marks less means what? 30 minus x minus 3. The product of their marks would have been, this is the product, would have been 210. So this is our according to question. Now we need to solve it and we need to find the marks of both the subject. See, find her marks in the two subject. So this is our equation. We need to solve it. So let the marks in mathematics be x, then the marks in English be 30 minus x. I think you have understood why it is 30 minus x. X plus 30 minus x, you will get again 30. X cancel. Clear? Now according to question will be 2 marks more in maths into 3 marks less in English. That is equal to 210. Clear? So we need to solve it. Expand this. What you will get? 30x minus x square, then minus thrice x plus 60 minus twice x, then minus 6 equal to 210. Now you see this one and this one, you will get minus 5, and 30 minus 5 is 25x minus x square, and this you will get what? 150. This one you will get 50, 54, and bring this 210 this side. Now you will get 25x minus x square, and this one what you will get? Plus 156. It will be minus 156, sorry, since minus is here, you will get minus. Clear? 156. Now what we will do, we will arrange it as we did earlier. Minus x square plus 25x minus 156 equal to 0. Now you change the sign. X square minus will be plus, then minus 25x, and this one will be plus 156 equal to 0. Now it is up to you. You can use factorization method also and or quadratic formula also. So 156, we will do splitting the middle term, isn't it? 2, if you divide, you will get 7, 8. Then again by 2, you will get 39. Then by 3, 13. Now you can see this 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So you will get x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 equal to 0. Now you see 12 plus 13 is 25, and 12 into 13 is 156. Clear? So now you take x as common, x minus 12, and this side you take 13 as common. Again you will get x minus 12. Take minus as common also. Why? Inside it will be x minus 12. Clear? Then x minus 13 and x minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. That means if the marks in maths is 13, then the marks in English will be 30 minus 13. And if the marks in maths is 12, then the marks in English will be 30 minus 12. Clear? So at last you write down, if the marks in mathematics is 12, if the marks in mathematics is 12, then the marks in English is 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. Clear? And similarly, if the marks in mathematics is 13, then the marks in English is 30 minus 13, which is equal to 17. So I hope all of you have understood up to this. So in the next video I will do from question number 6, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me, and I hope you are liking it, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you.